you guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. I am Alecia. Today I'm doing a quick video, very quick you guys, video on what I ate and what I believe contributed to my pregnancy. So if you guys did not know, I did have a history of infertility for about 13 years. Me and my husband, we have a 17-year-old son who's going to be graduating, and then I did a keto diet and a low carb type diet, lost some weight. I have PCOS, or I had PCOS. I don't proclaim that I have it anymore, but that's what I did. We did low carb dieting, we ate healthy, and then we ended up pregnant with our daughters back to back. And then I went into my healthy dieting again, and it was similar to this, and I wanted to share it with you guys, and boom, we got pregnant again. So if you have PCOS or unexplained infertility, or you just want to eat healthy, here are my tips. So here's the first thing that we have here. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed. Okay, you guys, so I did season my meat, and I got my broccoli going over here. I'm going to drain this meat once it finished cooking thoroughly, and then I'm going to add in some green olives chopped up, and that's going to be my Mediterranean style meat. I also have my cauliflower rice. So for the first bowl, we're going to be doing a Mediterranean style dish. We love to have Mediterranean food, but it can be very fatty, and so making it at home is a much more healthier way. I do use these measuring cups to use the specific measurements that are based on each of these items. So you can just look on the back of the packaging and look at the recommended serving size, and that is what we ate. I did double it up for my husband because he's a much bigger guy. And so yeah, this is what we had for our first dish. I know that the sesame oil is not Mediterranean, but we just love the flavor and what it adds to our dish, so we would definitely put this on anything we eat. This is the hummus that I use, you guys. It tastes so good. They have this one and another one. It's roasted red pepper. They're both delicious, and just use the serving size on the back. Once I put all of the ingredients on my plate, I love to add a little bit of more smoked paprika and parsley just for visual purposes. I like my food to be pretty, and I'm telling you guys, when you're on a meal plan, you want to make your food as attractive and as flavorful as possible. So these are my tips for this Mediterranean dish. Also, if you do try this dish, let me know down in the comments how you like it. We have two different kinds of chicken. We have barbecue chicken here, and we have roasted garlic and herb chicken. And this is chicken breast, whole chicken breast, boneless and skinless. And it's a part of our meal prep as well. This is the barbecue chicken breast, and this is the roasted garlic and herb chicken breast. I added some chives on top, some dried chives, and I put that on top. So I also have these muffins that I made. These ones particularly are the strawberry and the banana nut bread muffins that I mixed together. So I paired the boneless skinless barbecue chicken breast with half a sweet potato with a little cheddar cheese on top and some broccoli. And it was delicious, you guys. So good. You got to try this one out. I ended up using the chicken broth from the roasted garlic herb chicken that I baked. I used that in the cauliflower rice, you guys, and it was the best decision I ever made. These are the 2 plates that came up with the last 2 meats that I made. You can see I did some spinach with a little turkey bacon, the cauliflower rice, and then the roasted garlic herb chicken breast. Delicious. If you try any of these dishes, please let me know in the comment how you like them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed.